Honorable Professor and Chairperson, Professor Radhika Yadav Madam, Director, University, Professor G.B. Reddy Sir, Senior Professor at this law college. Earlier my colleague, Professor Selesh Madam, who was earlier former principal of this college. Professor Dr. Aparna Madam, faculty of this law college. So at the outset, I forgot to mention our own students, the budding judges and media people of this prestigious college. So here is just like a homecoming for me. The campus is not new to me. Instead of going to botany department, I come into law college departments. They are all colleagues here. They are just like my botany students. So at the outset, I thank the organizing committee for inviting me to this August gathering. I am happy to be with you since everyone here belongs to the prestigious Osmania University. So we are proud Osmanians. So the college, law college, is a happening place in the OU campus. The law college not only producing lawyers, professors, scholars, and also advocates on the court, and judges. Now, for all these, the present judiciary is one of the pillars of democracy. So, for that pillar, it is the you, Mr. College and professors and students, which is the center for genesis for that judiciary, for the pillar of democracy. So, here I am just like a layman amidst the legal luminaries. I am from the Professor of Botany, Osmania University, the same campus. That is, my research field is bioinformatics and drug discovery. That is very much present right now in the open and distance learning institution. Why I am telling all this? Because your own Professor G.B. Reddy is heading the institution. That is Professor G. Ram Reddy Center for Distance Education. This is another happening place in the Osmania University. Most of the centers, seminars and conferences are very busy. It's a dynamic mode always. So, from the pillar of judiciary, in the common man's perspective, like me, what we are expecting, the judiciary has to protect the constitutional rights, legal rights of the citizens, and it has to uphold the rule of law when other pillars not working at expected levels, say legislative and executive. Here the conference we are organizing here, so this is our legal services, spreading the message among the masses, the legal services, and also legal aid, that is we are raising awareness, the legal aid among the weaker sections of the society. In the present situation, when most of the democratic institutions, even autonomous institutions, being eroded by the ruling establishment, even if you take the India against corruption movement, Anna Hazare movement. That is the Jan Lokpal movement. What has happened that moment? Jan Lokpal and Lokayukta. There is one Pradeep Kumar Mohanty, the acting chairman of Jan Lokpal. And another one is Praveen Kumar Srivastava, is the Commissioner of Central Vigilance. Nobody knows these institutions, the persons are that working condition not. And in the present situation, only what I feel, Lok Adalats, Lokattas here and there, some states is working. But Jan Lokpal, I don't know whether perfectly functional or non-functional. So what I am telling is that most of the autonomous institutions, pillars of democracies are overridden, eroded. There is an immense danger to the institutions. So ultimately, rule of law should prevail. In the present situation, only Lok Adalat is working perfectly. That is the alternative dispute redressal system. If you take the prisoners under trials, according to the version of Minister of State, that is Ajay Kumar Mishra, winter parliamentary session, has declared that there are around more than 5,54,000 prisoners are lagging in the jails, in various jails. Out of 5,54,000, 4,27,000 prisoners are from marginalized sections. Out of these marginalized sections, 66% are mostly from Adivasis, Dalits, minorities, OBCs, and poor forward class people, that is the poverty ridden people. In such a scenario, if you see, take the Akras incident, a SC girl being raped and killed by hierarchs, and the body of the girl is cremated without the permission of her parents, family members. There is another incident. Siddiqui Kappan is a reporter who went on site. He was jailed under sedition law, under EAPA, and also his teeth was ransacked in the Madras jail. And if you take all these such incidents, come to the why I am telling all this, you are the future hope of the judiciary. For professors and students, it's like in layman's terminology, what I can understand. Think about the electoral bonds legality, how far it is legal. And think about the Bhima Koregaon case. In Bhima Koregaon case, most of them are under trials. Most of them are civilians. They are fighting for the human rights and journalists. Our own Professor Varavar Rao is a professor and activist. Sudha Bharasbag, she is an eminent advocate. Not only these people, Vernon Gonsalves, Anand Teltumbe, and even our own Professor Sai Baba from Delhi University. He declared that he is going to die as under trials. And if you see some more aspect I am just mentioning here, so that we can discuss along with your legal services seminar in the throughout that day. Think about Teesta Sitalwar. What happened to our case? Bilkis Banu case. That was, she was being raped, mass rape. Rapists are at large free now. Think about Sanjeev Bhatt, police officer. What is his mistake? And not only this, there are even you might have heard the name of anchor, TV anchor Arnab Goswami. Once he arrested, within a day, Prime Minister's office worked round the clock to get him on bail. What are in other cases? What is happening here? Not only this, if you go to even Bodupal, just very near to our campus, there are one Bhulabandhu famous Bodupal. One person in his language before, I would like to repeat here, అతను చేసేది ఏంటంటే ఇక్కడ ఓపెన్ ఉంటే ఆయన ఇమీడియట్ గా ఒక లిటిగేషన్ క్రియేట్ చేస్తాడు. అంటే పార్లమెంటరీగా ఓపెన్ ల్యాండ్ ప్లాట్స్ ఉంటే వేరే వాళ్ళకు సెకండ్ వైఫ్ ఉందనో సెకండ్ ఫాదర్ ఉందనో ఏదో క్రియేట్ చేసి పార్టీ క్రియేట్ చేసి బ్యాక్ తో ల్యాండ్ మీద పోయి వాళ్ళని డయాగ్రామ్ చేసి వాళ్ళ ప్లాట్ కొంటాడు. బట్ అలా 6 acres 15 years బ్యాక్ కబ్జా పెట్టాడు. అయితే అందులో ఆయన భయపడి కొందరు చాలా మంది ఈ ప్లాట్ 400 square భయపడి కొంతమంది అమ్మేసుకున్నాడు. ఎస్క్రో ప్రైస్ అలా 40,000 పర్ యాడ్ ఉంటే 1,000 2,000 నువ్వు ఉన్నది 1,000 కాబట్టి 2,000 సరిపో అట్లా భయపడి కొందరు అమ్మేసి అలా 80 అవుట్ ఆఫ్ 7 plots some 20 plots within a day purchase. అతను ఈ వాన్స్ the greed ఏంటంటే he wants all the plot, all the 6 acres. Initially claiming 3 acres, all the 6 acres. These people purchase 20 years back. Now he enters along someone who is original owners. So he will create some relationship. సో ఈ 20 కాదు నాకు అన్ని వాళ్ళన్ని ప్లాట్లు కాబట్టి అంత అమ్మకుంటే ఏం చేస్తుంటే ఆ ల్యాండ్ ఒక ఎక్స్కి అమ్మిస్తాడు. ఆ ఎక్స్ చనిపోతే ఆయన డాటర్ పేరుగా వచ్చేస్తుంది. ఆ డాటర్ అంటే ఇతని వైఫ్, ఇతనేమంటే తోటకూరి జంగయ్య యాదవ్, నా ఎమ్మెల్యే క్యాండిడేట్ ఫర్ మేడ్చల్ కాన్స్టిట్యున్సీ. అక్కడ అలా వచ్చింది ఏంటంటే మీరు నాకు తట్టుకోలేదు, అన్ని అమ్మేసి వెళ్ళిపోవాలి, నేను పోలీస్ ఆఫీసర్ని కొంటా, ఎంఆర్ఓ కొంటా, అవసరం వస్తే జడ్జిలో కొంటా, నేను ఉంది కాదు, మీరు ఎంప్లాయీస్ నేను చేస్తే జరగమంటాడు. ఇంకో వర్షన్ ఏంటంటే మా సన్ గారి గన్ ఉంటుంది, మీరు తట్టుకోలేరు. ఇంకా మూడో వర్షం ఏంటంటే మీరు ఒకవేళ విన్నాయినా నేను మాత్రం వద్దను, మీరు ఎంత చోట మాట ఎంప్లాయీస్, మీరు విన్నాయినా నేను హైకోర్టు అక్కడికి పోతాను, అక్కడ విన్నా సుప్రీంకోర్టు పోతాను, మీరు ఎంతవరకు పోరాడతారు, ఇంత ఇస్తే జరుగు. దిస్ ఈస్ ద సిచ్యువేషన్ హ్యాపెనింగ్ ఇన్ ద సొసైటీ. పాపం అన్న ఒక బీసీ అతను చనిపోయింది, ఒక రెడ్డి చిన్న కండక్టర్ ఆర్టీసీ కండక్టర్ రవీందర్ రెడ్డి మొన్న హార్ట్ అటాక్ వచ్చింది, సర్జరీ అయింది బికాస్ ఆఫ్ సిచ్యువేషన్. ఒక ప్రొఫెసర్ వైఫ్ హార్ట్ అటాక్ చనిపోయింది, ఒక మైనారిటీ చనిపోయింది, ఒక బీసీ చనిపోయింది. మరి రాహుల్ గాంధీ భారత్ జోడో హార్ట్ అటాక్ వెరీ గుడ్, బట్ హియర్ దట్ ఈస్ నాట్ హ్యాపెనింగ్. In such scenario, what we are expecting, a common man, judicial activism should prevail, judicial review should prevail, the rule of law should be there, and the science of law should prevail. In order to prevail all these things, there should be number of courts should increase, at least benches, Supreme Court benches in south, west, throughout the country it has to be increased. When benches are increasing, judges naturally number of judges should be increased. When judges are increasing, the requirement is the number of law colleges has to be increased in both qualitative and quantitative. Because ultimately it is the law college and professors and students who are giving the bell of the chapter. So now law college has got very good demand in the market. There are around, I think, around 23 colleges, 21 are there. 2 or 3 colleges are going to come up. Some are in the pipeline. And just now the same was discussing with our professors. One residential law college is going to come up soon at Kanaguru and Srisalam Highway. That Malaya is taking initiative. So what I request my colleagues, so instead of going one day, we can proceed for 2 day or 3 day international conference, because such judicial activities are required. Even you can demand some partial grant from the State Council of Higher Education. We are there to see that some justice should be done to the colleges. So, with this, what we want judges like D.Y. Chandrachud, Dr. D.Y. Chandrachud. We don't want judges like Ranjan Gogoi. You know what has happened in case of Ranjan Gogoi. We want advocates. You can follow the advocate Prashant Bhushan. There are several, but I am giving one instance. So it is encouraging to you people. Prashant Bhushan, he was a member of India Against Corruption. There is a Jan Lokpal movement, Anna Hazare movement. He is a very good advocate on record. He is a public lawyer. He is working hard against the evils of establishments. He is a common man's lawyer. So, with this, it is a future for you. You have got a very good professors team. We try to extract much from the professors community, and you can feel proud of yourself since you are the proud figure in future. You are the proud product of Osmania University. So with this, I thank Rolanda for giving me this opportunity. Thank you very much.